Hi there, this is Fixed It. This is a unboxed Robosapien V2. You can see he's got all his skittles, everything's in place. All of the straps are on him, around his waist and around his arms. And one of the things I have noticed is that there's some damage to his foot. In order to prove Robosapien V2s do have a wiring problem, I'm going to take this one out of the box and then I'm going to open him up, and his wiring should look absolutely perfect if he hasn't been out of the box, and I don't think he has. I'll then have a look at the wiring and see what needs to be done. I'm anticipating it will look perfect, but as soon as I touch it, it'll drop to bits. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to rewire him and I'm going to put him back in his box, and then he's going up for sale on eBay as a fully working rewired Robosapien V2 in the white. I'll also be replacing that panel on his foot, because obviously we don't want just a cracked version in what's basically a good new unused Robosapien, so I'll get that replaced. He looks absolutely immaculate. It's a shame I can't say the same about the cardboard box, which has obviously been stored for a very long time, and it's an extremely rare thing to have, a boxed Robosapien V2. They go for a lot of money. But the ones that go for a lot of money are also the ones that haven't been rewired. So if you were to put batteries in it and switch it on, it would promptly destroy itself. I hope you like the video. There's lots of other Wowwee, Robosapien and Wowwee robotics videos on my website, and you'll find a link at the end of this video. And I hope you subscribe and share this with other robot lovers. Thanks for watching. Bye.